Alright, y'all, we got the new Wheel Hub Assemblies on, 2019 Chevy Tahoe. Wheels torqued down, axle nuts torqued down to 188 foot-pounds, lug nuts torqued down to 140 foot-pounds. We're gonna go take this thing for a test drive, see if we still get that squeaking noise. I can hear it on the old hub assembly when I had it on my bench, my vise. I can definitely hear a slight squeak, but really couldn't tell if it was just the trailer squeaking as I was moving around. But we're gonna find out. We're gonna find out to see if our repair and also the prognosis was valid. So that they didn't put a push start in the 2019 LT. So what we're gonna do, and what we want to do, is that we want to be listening for a squeak while we're driving. So far so good, smooth. Because even before it was squeaking at this speed. At a slow creep, we were getting a squeak. Oh, no, it's still there. Where is that coming from? There's nothing else that could be squeaking. Sound like it's coming from the back. Oh my gosh, you gotta be kidding me. There's still a squeak. I'm not gonna go that way. Yep, still chirping. Still chirping. Dang. Still chirping. He's gonna be like, "Are you kidding me?" I'm like, "No, I'm not kidding you at all, sir." That squeak ain't going nowhere. It is still there. I am flabbergasted. Oh my God.